So let's read this problem. It says a car dealer sets a sticker price of 110% of the wholesale price. So the wholesale price is 28,000 and it's marked up by 10%. So it's 110% of 28,000. So let's set up this equation. It says find the sticker price. Sticker price is the marked up price. So 110% is the same as 110 over 100. So 110 over 100. So this is the whole and this is the part. And the part is greater than the whole because it is marked up. So if the price is 28,000, we want to find out what 110% of it is. Let's call it x. We don't know what it is. And we're going to solve this equation. We set up a proportion, which is a ratio on the left equals a ratio on the right. So 110 times 28,000 is equal to 100x. We divide both sides by 100. So this is 110 times 280. So what we could do is write this as 11 times 10, 28 times 10, all multiplied together. So we can multiply 28 and 11. You can check the answer. And then 10 times 10 is 100. So it's 308 times 100 equals x. And that is the same as 30800 equals x. So that's $30,800. What this means is that if the wholesale price is $28,000 and the car is marked up by 10%, so 110% of 28,000 is 30,800, and it makes sense because it's slightly bigger than 28,000. Now let's solve this equation in a slightly different way. So sticker price is 110% of the wholesale price, which is 28,000. We can set up the equation using this sentence. Sticker price is what we're trying to figure out, so we call it x is equal to 110 over 100 of, which is times 28,000. We cross off the zeros and we now multiply 110 times 280, and we do it exactly the same way as we did before. It's easier if you separate the tens. So we basically can multiply 11 and 28 and then at the end add 2 zeros because it's like times 100. So that is equal to 30800. So that's 30,800. So we can replace this 30,800, and just to see if it makes sense, is 110%. So it's not only 28,000 but more by 10%, and that seems to be it looks correct.